Yeah, yeah.
There's a snowstorm here in Canada, Toronto. Today is Friday, February the 7th,
Yeah.
about 10 o'clock in the morning.
Something.
And we're having a snowstorm.
How?
Nobody's outside, even
No.
cars.
Yeah.
Not too much cars outside.
No. Some of it.
Yeah. And it's about -4 degrees. It's not that
Not too
cold.
warm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice outside. It's all white.
Right. Look.
The people doesn't like the snow here.
No, they don't like it.
Only me likes the snow.
You like it?
Look at
I don't
that.
like it.
The snow looks like the clouds from heaven.
It's true. No.
Look at that. All white. All over.
All of them.
Around. It's all
Oh my
white.
God. Look. Yeah. Look. Yeah.
Nobody's outside.
Nobody.
Nobody's walking outside.
No.
But I saw a dog earlier.
It did.
A man with a doggy.
Yeah, because
They're walking. Yeah.
That needed.
Because
The
the doggy needs
needed kacken.
caca.
Sure. True.
So I think everything is closed today.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, there's a car.
Yeah.
But not too much. Just
No,
1, 2.
some.
Some
Yeah,
cars.
but really, none of them.
Yeah.
Really.
No sunshine. No
No,
sun.
I-
No wind. Just
No.
the snow.
No.
Yeah, just the snow.
Look.
And it's too quiet.
Yeah. Are you to mine?
Completely different from Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines is all green. A lot of people outside walking.
It's beautiful, Rosen. I like it. Some. I love
Yeah.
it. Yeah. You like that?
Here, no people outside. You cannot see people walking.
No,
or
because this is.
everybody's inside.
No, yeah. Going slow.
The trees has no leaves.
No. Nothing. Yeah.
Trees are dead.
Yeah. No, all of them.
No leaves, no flowers, no grasses.
No. It's terrible. You like it?
I like the snow.
Yeah.
But the trees,
You like better.
I like with the leaves and
Yeah.
flowers.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Look at them, Remy.
And it's too dangerous to drive
Yeah, it is.
like this.
Yeah. See?
That's why people, not too much cars outside.
No.
Yeah, so that's Canada.
Yeah, you like it?